hard, win gold, celebrate this country, get a call from the President of the United States, and then be invited, of course, to the White House. Man, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, a bucket list thing. It's so well-deserved, and I think this is a good reminder as to what we should all strive to do. Be patriotic, celebrate America, and certainly celebrate along with these great hockey players.
Absolutely. You know, someone who doesn't feel that way is Keith Olbermann. I know this will come as a big shock, but here's what Keith Olbermann posted on X, former sportscaster, political journalist, former lots of things. But here's what he said. It's official. U.S. gold-winning Olympic hockey team declined invitation to be political props for Trump tomorrow.